It's another day in Punta Cana, another day in paradise, and thankfully, not another day in bed. To add some context, I've really struggled the last couple of days. I've come down with a case of barley belly. I'm not really too sure what it is, whether I've eaten something or drunk too much alcohol, perhaps the weather being just so intense, but let's just say the last few days haven't been easy. I've had a pretty bad stomach and yeah, I certainly wasn't in the mood to take my camera down the beach or do any kind of filming. I've kind of just stayed in bed and taken it slow. Today, however, is a different day. We're on day 5 and I'm planning on making the most of it. I'm going to head down the beach shortly to go and do some snorkeling before flying my drone over all the resorts that are here in Punta Cana, and then I think later on we're going to head to the water park. Although this hotel's an adults only, it has a water park, and of course I want to share that with you today. Apologies for starting the video on a bit of a low. I just wanted to be completely honest. These illnesses are rife out here in the Dominican Republic. Who knows what we're eating? Who really knows what we're drinking? I guess, yeah, coming to these places, it's always bound to happen. This shack right here ahead makes the most incredible jerk chicken I have ever tasted in my life. Although I do worry, I'm a bit nervous that that's what's caused this bad belly of mine all along. The waves today are absolutely huge, as you can see. That is extremely rough. Just like that, it is sunny again, as you can see. The sea is just wonderful once again. I mean, it's always nice, but when it's that colour of blue, it's just incredible. That's what it's like being out here in Punta Cana. It's very rough, but very nice. As I mentioned a few videos ago, if you are looking for calmer waters while out here in the Caribbean, I'd recommend you go to the bottom of the island where I headed in my last video, where we went to Sayona Island. Bayahibe or La Romana is the best bet. It's yeah, definitely much calmer, much less wind, and well, you're in the Caribbean Sea after all. I mentioned I wanted to go snorkeling today at the start. I don't think that's going to be possible today. I probably could get away with it, but the visibility is going to be terrible. Of course, I want to take the GoPro out as well and try and catch some fish. There's definitely no view of any fish right now, that's for sure. What I just love about the Caribbean, literally 10 minutes ago you saw how cloudy it was, and now it's like there's not even a cloud in the sky. Punta Cana is just wonderful. If you ever get the chance, I definitely recommend you give it a go. It's my second time and I absolutely love it. Back in the room after a nice morning on the beach. I say a nice morning, it was as nice as could be with the waves as strong as they were, you could tell. If I'm honest, I've been to the Caribbean a number of times. I've never seen waves anywhere near as big as that before. But what a thing to catch on video, what a start to this video. And I'm gonna quickly head to lunch and then I'm gonna come back here, collect my GoPro and my drone and head down the other end of the beach, because around the corner there's a massive great strip of loads and loads of resorts. I'm gonna test my drone out, push it to its limits and see just how many resorts we can catch on film. So I'm gonna go get some lunch. As I mentioned, the maid's gonna come in and sort out the room, and yeah, the next time I'll see you will be at the beach. You can see we've we've made it onto the beach here in Bavaro, Dominican Republic, and we're heading to this corner here. You can see behind, we're going to be flying the drone as far away from the remote as physically possible. So far we've managed 1,200 meters. I'm going to be aiming for at least 1,500, perhaps even 2,000. As this coast we're about to hit has so many resorts, I'd love to capture as many on my drone as I can. It's 33 degrees here today. You can imagine it's very hot and humid, and before I put my drone in the air for half an hour, just wanted to come in here and cool down. That being said, the sea here is not cool at all, but it's definitely cooler than it is out there. Compared to earlier, not quite as rough. As you saw earlier, it was crazy, but here we are, like the curvature, I guess, of Bavaro Beach. We've got the beach starting down there and it goes around and heading straight in that direction all the way to the airport. We're not going there for a few more days. There we go. Let's do this. The aim is to fly this drone in as far in that direction as possible. I'm going to take it to about 90 meters in height first, because then we'll have a really good view of all the resorts. Currently 800 meters away. The plan is to double that to get to 1 mile in that direction. By that point we would have crossed probably 20 resorts, which is what we're aiming for. Some of these look absolutely beautiful. Of course, I've stayed at one before, being the Occidental, which is just up here. I'm not sure we're going to make it quite as far as that. What a view regardless. There you go, 1,000 meters and 91 meters in height. Not too sure what the limit is. I'm not going to push the limit, of course. We've only got 15 minutes left of battery life at this rate, and I'm very excited to see just how far we can take this today. (1,540 meters), 70, 80, 90. It's crazy how quick that goes, but there we go. We are now a mile away, which is crazy. 1,634 meters. It's insane just how far this thing goes, and I bet it goes even further, but I'm not trying to push that today. (2,000 meters later, we are back, and I'm of course trying to land this thing now, because we've only got 6 minutes left of battery life. I'm going to try and land it on the box. It's very, very windy, which isn't helping. Yep.